Here's a new concept for all the hairstylists: don't start by using clippers right away. First, adjust the volume at the roots of the hair to the appropriate volume. After adjusting the hair volume, using clippers will be much smoother. Cut the length by using Texturizing To Cut. This cutting method ensures that the hair ends do not have hard lines, creating a natural hair end effect. Use the same cutting method to cut the length at the top. Take a look, everyone! The hair ends show a very good wispy effect. Even without styling, the hairstyle already looks beautiful and defined. In the middle of the hair, use a slanting texturizing method to create a sense of space and wispy effect. This presents a more perfect linear hairstyle.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.